Hey guys, what is up? My name is Gigi, for those that don't know. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you guys are an OG, welcome back. This channel, it consists of beauty, makeup tutorials, reviews, hair, skincare, and fun things like that. So if you are interested in those type of things, then you guys are in the right place. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be playing around with some new products. So I'm super excited for you guys to see. This is the look that I came up with. I use the new Cara Beauty palette. This is their orange pop. And it's just so gorgeous, you guys. You guys will see in my tutorial. Let me do a glitter swatch. Look at that. You see that? Cute. And you barely tap it and you get this pigment. Go in with the shade Red Eyes. Pretty. Go in with this shade called Stevia. What's Stevia? Okay, so the pigmentation is there, you guys. So I'll let you guys see what my final thoughts were in the end. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. I'm gonna be doing a fun look using Cara Beauty's palettes. So I'm gonna be using one of them, but they sent over 3 of their palettes. How cute, you guys. Like, when I saw them, I was like, oh my god, I am so inspired to do a look. Look at this, so pretty. This palette I didn't use. I actually used the orange pop one right here, this one. So cute. So this is the palette that I used. I'm obsessed. Like, it's gorgeous. And this purple haze looks like this. Super cute. Purple is one of my favorite colors. The palette was like me. You guys already know that I love purples and pinks. So this palette it's me. So they also sent over micro contour pencils. And I'm so excited. You can use it anywhere in your lips, on your face, anywhere you want to do contouring, but these are cute. I'm so excited to use this. So like I said, I'm taking the orange pop eyeshadow. I love the shade names here. It says Light Up, Loud, Stoner, Rolling Up, Stevia, Hit It, OG Queen, Cannabis, Red Eyes, Low Eyes, Dime, 420, Blunted, Exclusive, Moon Rocks, and Bank. So I'm going to be taking Bank and starting a full cut crease. So I do have hooded eyes, so it is kind of harder for me to do cut creases, but I'm going to show you a trick I learned. So I'm going to be taking the color Bank right here. Okay. So because I am doing a full cut crease, I'm going to take it out a little bit more. Yeah. I have a mirror right here. Just look straight in my mirror, relaxed, and I'm going to start where the skin is right there, folded. So I'm gonna go above that actually. So yeah, so you just go following your eye shape. And I'm just gonna go all the way like that. So you need a detailing brush, because if you go in with a brush like this, I feel like it just messes everything up. It just gets like too smoked out, you get me? Since I'm gonna have very little eye space, I have to take a small detailing brush like this. Take Bank again, but I'm actually gonna be using this brush right here. And I'm just gonna kind of like smoke it out a little bit, not too high, just leave it at the spot it's at, but just keep adding color, you know. Enjoy watching this, and yeah. Okay, so the eyelash that I'm taking is called Classified. You guys, their faux mink lashes are just so gorgeous. I already used 3 pairs and I'm in love with all of them already. Like, I'm in love with them. They're just so pretty. So the glue that I'm taking is the House of Lashes glue. You guys, this is like cement for your lashes. It's this one right here. What you want to do is place them upwards. Don't have them like this. You want to place them, you want to set them up and as close as you can to your lash line. So this tool is like a lifesaver. Honestly, you could pinch your lashes and the lashes, the fake ones, together with this tool and just, I'm gonna push them up. So you guys, I'm so excited. I finally got my hands on the Dose of Color Meet Your Hue foundation, and I did get it in the shade 123 medium tan. I don't know if it's the right shade, but they had like a category where you can see like comparisons from other foundations, and they had a comparison from Frankie Rose, my shade Gold. So I was like, okay, for sure this is mine. So I love the sleek packaging. It came in this nice beautiful satin, like a satin. It's not matte, but it's cute. It's really nice, and it's actually a glass bottle, which I do appreciate. I do love glass bottle foundation. Sleek. It's just black with silver writing. It does come with a pump, so that is nice. I'm so excited to try it. I heard a lot of good things about this foundation. And I'm taking the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. I'm already running out. I've had it for a long time, and actually got the little one. It lasted me a long time, and I love it. And it's funny because when I first tried it, like 2 years ago or a year ago, I didn't like it. I don't know why, but I've been loving it for a while now. Let that sit for like a minute or two. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna shake it up. Just kidding. So I'm gonna take like 2 or maybe 1 pump for right now. That doesn't mean I'm gonna use 1 pump, because I'm not. I use a lot of pump. It smells like let me see. Like makeup, like kind of like a lighter version of that MAC foundation. And I was gonna get the lighter one, so it was pretty good. So that was 1 pump. And I would do like a comparison with a brush and sponge, but honestly I don't use brushes, so it just wouldn't make sense for me. I know this is like a review, but so I'm taking another pump, going on with this side of the cheek, and the pump comes out like a good amount. So if you're like somebody that likes something light, then 1 pump would be good, but I like a full bead. So for sure, I'm liking the coverage. Dragging it down my neck so I could blend better. It looks pretty damn good, and it's drying down to like a satin. I don't know how you girls do it with doing your face first, your eyes first. I don't know. I don't understand. It is hard. Because then I fuck up my shit, I'm gonna be pissed. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm using the e.l.f. sponge right here. It's only like $5 and it's a bomb. Well, I like it. I have to fix my eyebrows because foundation got on it. And that's why I say, like, I don't understand how people do their eyes first. It's just so hard. I gotta look at tutorials. So the claims on this foundation, it says high pigment matte finish, buildable, which it is buildable because I added like 2 layers. Lightweight, it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face, so it is true. Long wear, I will be testing that out. So it says our lightweight medium to full coverage foundation delivers a blurring effect which reduces the appearance of fine lines and skin imperfections. Okay. I feel like my face looks good. Like, what do you guys think? I think it looks really good. I'm impressed. I'm gonna be trying out Cara Beauty's micro contour pencils. Look, they sent me 4. They sent me all their shades. So excited. Medium. I don't know if this is, let's see. I think I'm gonna try a deeper shade. Try medium deep, sorry. I'm the worst at swatching. Okay, looks like this. So I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Okay. And blend out my concealer. I find that when you leave the concealer like a little, like to set for like a little bit, it gives you more coverage, which I love. A brush right here. I'm gonna blend this part with a brush. And this is from Alamar Cosmetics. Oh yeah, I like it better with the brush, blending it out instead of a beauty blender. Yeah. I'm gonna be taking the Dewy Set from ABH, which is my favorite. You guys already know that. It smells so good. I love that. ABH's vanilla powder. Alright guys, so I did finish the eye look off camera, and I did bronze my face with the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer, and I used my blush. You guys already know my favorite blush is ABH Blush Trio in Peachy Love. Okay, I'm going to be taking the contour, the micro contour pencil in the shade Deep. It's going to be like my lip liner. I'm going to be taking the shade Light. And I'm going to go in with that white one, the lightest one, in the middle or the center of my lips. This is cute. I like it. I actually really like it. Now we're gonna add a gloss, and I'm gonna be taking the gloss Undress by Anastasia. Okay, I like how the lip looks. It looks really cute. Absolutely obsessed with this look that I did today. It came out so cute. I've been doing purples and stuff and blues, so I was like, hey, let me do a warm tone look. But then I was like, let me spice it up, okay? So this is what I came up with. So I really enjoyed using the Cara Beauty Micro Contour Pencils. They are creamy, but not like super creamy, you get me? But yeah, it was fun. I kind of incorporated it in my face and my lips. That way you guys could see that you guys could use it in multiple ways. So for sure, I do recommend their products if you guys want to try it out, and you guys can use my code if you guys want to save some money. It's just Glam by Gigi together in lowercase. So yeah, I really do like this foundation. I think it worked good. I do like the shade that I picked out, which is 123 medium tan. Maybe in the summer I'll be 125, because 124 is like a peachy shade and I didn't like that. So yeah, for the foundation, I feel like I don't feel nothing on my face. It is lightweight the way it claims to be, and it for sure it was buildable because I put, you know, you guys saw me, I put a lot of layers. Just kidding. No, I usually do 2 layers. So I'll do a 1 layer where I add the 2nd layer. It's just I dab like right here for my most problem area, which is my T-zone. Really love the finish of the foundation. I think it looks really, really good. I feel really good. Look, that's it for today's look. I hope you guys like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you can be a part of the family. Hit the bell so you guys can get notified every time I post. Again, I'm more active on Instagram. If you guys want to get my attention real quick, I'll be on there faster. Everything will be linked down below. I love you guys. Take care, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.